Welcome, family. This is the Velvet Locks with another video. This is a video I am not happy at all to make. Oh, Lord. Now, it's not as bad as I guess I'm making it out to be, but it's bad enough, especially when you're a mother. Now, you all obviously know, if you've been, following me for a while, if you've been subbed to me for a while, you know that I have a family. And I have, my youngest is getting ready to turn 17 years old. Oh, Lord, I swear, these kids grow up so fast. And, man, it's like, dang, I can't even... I swear. So, all right, let me get to the story. Now, I know y'all gonna be laughing and be like, Donna, what's wrong with you? They grow up. Come on now. They grow up. So, anyways, I have 2 girls and 3 boys. And my youngest is 16 and her birthday is next month. Now, for a birthday present, she's been wanting this. She wanted a Yorkie, a mini Yorkie, one of them toy Yorkie dogs. And we see one particular one all the time, every time I go to pick up the children at the shelter. So there's this one family over there that got the cutest little Yorkie mini, this little toy mini Yorkie. So she's in love with that dog. She's been talking about it for the longest time. Since her little baby sisters moved out the house with their big sister, Desi, Twinkie and Ginger. She's been kind of lonely for a little pooch. So we thought, okay, we're going to start looking around for a puppy for her. All right, for her birthday. I don't want one, but Sean wants one and she wants one. So she's going to get what she wants because Big Daddy, that dude, said she's getting a dog. So we're going to look around for a Yorkie. But now, oh gosh, she also wants makeup. Now, I know in my video, matter of fact, it's not even up yet. It's in my Get Ready With Me video, going out for my boo-boo's birthday. So in that video, I talk about how I like to play in makeup and how my mom started allowing me to wear makeup in high school. And she's in high school and she's at that, she's almost getting ready to graduate. Matter of fact, she can actually graduate this year in the 11th grade because she has all of her credits. And all she needs to do is pass, I guess it's her social studies regents, and she's good. But she wants makeup. Now I'm so overly protective of my kids, especially my girls. Even my boys, but especially my girls. And it just reminded me of when Desiree was in high school and how she wanted a cell phone. And back then it was like,
a phone for what? Who are you gonna call? I don't want you to have a phone.
And, back in high school with her, I was so petrified of something happening to her that I took... Y'all gonna be like, girl, you need to spank it. I used to drop her to school and pick her up from school while she was in high school. But I still do that now with my little one. But it got to the point now, she wanted more independence, Desiree. She wanted more independence. She wanted to take the bus to and from school and, I guess walk with her friends or whatever. And it got to the point, I guess she was embarrassed because I'm driving around with this big 15-passenger vehicle that says daycare on the side. So, it was a little embarrassing for her. In high school, this is how they be acting. Okay, they're particular about what picks them up and drops them off. So she got to the point where she didn't want me to pick her up and drop her off anymore because I'm picking her up in this big van and everybody's looking at it like, you gone to a daycare? In high school. So I had to, learn to cut the strings and allow her to take her bus. But now my baby... we were having such a wonderful conversation this morning in the car, and I'm driving her to school. Until she popped my bubble the worst way by asking to wear makeup. Now, I know most of you don't think this is a big thing, and it probably really isn't because I did it. I know my mother and father was like, dang, now we got so much to think about, worry about because she's growing up. But my boo-boo is growing up, y'all. That disturbed me so much. Even now, I said, and I wanted to get it on video this morning, but she's very private. And she was like, no, mommy, no, I don't want to be on camera. I don't want to, you know, be vlogging this. But it depressed me, y'all. It depressed me. It depressed me to know that my baby wants to wear makeup. And she's taller than everybody in the house, y'all. Okay? She's taller than everybody in the house. She's smart as a whip. She's been on the honor roll all last year in high school. And why is my phone acting up? Hey, boo. Babes.
Yeah, babe.
Oh, okay. My phone is acting weird, but I'm in the middle of vlogging right now. Matter of fact, I'll be right back, y'all.
Hold on. I just want to tell you real quick. I just want to tell you something.
No, I don't expect her to be 5 years old for the rest of her life, but that just... Man, that just threw me really off this morning.
What'd she say?
She was just very in her happy-go-lucky self. You know, she was like, oh, I know what I want for my birthday. So I was like, yeah, I already know. You want an iPhone watch? And she was like, no, that. But I really want some makeup. Oh, no. No, Diggy, no makeup. She was like, Mommy, I am turning 17. And I was like, damn. So it just threw me for a loop this morning, you know.
And you call me thinking you're going to get...
some support. I call you thinking I'm going to get some muscle, some roof, big dog, okay? She was smiling. I was like, why did I call him? And I know he going to side with you anyway, so.
I didn't, you said she talking about makeup, but we discussed it.
No, y'all discussed it. She mentioned it to me before, and I was like, no, baby, no, not yet. Now, I thought I could distract her from it, but I guess I didn't because she really want to start wearing makeup now, Sean.
Okay, but so you just got to teach her how to put on the makeup the right way.
Oh, that's what she's... Yeah, that was Sean. And of course, this morning, after all of that, she didn't want to be on camera and all of that. So I had to call him to find out what he wanted, you know, what he was going to say about it. Because you're figuring, okay, Dad's not going to really want to be dealing with this kind of stuff. You know, you're 17, but he don't want you to be looking all grown, you know, attracting all these dudes. But he sided with her like, okay, well, we're just going to have to buy her some makeup then. And the good stuff so that it don't mess up her face. And I'm like... Oh, gosh. All the kids are growing up, y'all. I tell you, this is how I felt when I turned 50. This is how I felt when I turned 20. When I turned 20 years old, I was depressed. I really was depressed. And it was because I was no longer a teenager. That's how I feel now. I feel like, oh my gosh, I'm going through another phase and stage in my life because now my kids are growing up and grown and are now involved in other stuff, makeup, and next thing you know, boys. She already warns the ones at school already. Listen, my parents are crazy. My father's crazy and my mother's even crazier, so... But I could tell that's not going to last long. It's not going to work for long because pretty soon there's going to be some little boy that's going to get her heart. Maybe I'm just going too far ahead, but I can't help it, y'all. She's growing up. So I guess when we go makeup shopping, you guys are going to have to come with me for some support because... Thank God it's just makeup. Thank you, Lord. But I can't take it. I can't take it. They're growing up so fast. All right, so pray for me, you guys. Pray for my strength. Pray for some sanity. Lord have mercy. Pray for me not to faint. Pray for me. And until the next video, you guys, I will see you then. Hey fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that notification bell right next to it. So this way you will know when I'm uploading another video. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you will not miss another one of these type of videos. So let's get started.